The 2024 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide, a pinnacle in factory custom motorcycles, is a manifestation of cutting-edge technology, rider comfort, and dynamic performance. Driven by the potent Milwaukee-Eight VVT 121 engine, it redefines the Grand American touring platform with exclusive design elements. Building on the 2023 model's success, the CVO Road Glide maintains an upright riding position, floorboards, passenger seat, saddlebags, frame-mounted fairing, and advanced infotainment for rider safety. It represents the epitome of Harley-Davidson's custom vehicle operations, CVO, boasting unparalleled performance, unique paint options, and premier parts. In the design department, the CVO Road Glide features a revamped sharknose fairing with integrated LED lighting, signature LED lighting, and 19-inch front and 18-inch rear combo cast-laced wheels. The bike's flow state is carefully crafted, with saddlebags extending the aggressive lines. Celebrating its 25th anniversary, it offers distinctive paint options like color-shifting Copperhead and Legendary Orange. Performance-wise, the Milwaukee-Eight VVT 121 engine, with liquid-cooled heads and variable valve timing, sets new standards. Reduced weight contributes to improved acceleration and braking. Aerodynamics benefit from computational fluid dynamics, a new windshield, and fairing design, minimizing wind buffeting and fatigue. Enhanced suspension, exhaust, and brakes further elevate the riding experience. Innovation shines through the Skyline OS, providing customizable in-dash experiences and connected infotainment options. Ride modes offer control and confidence, adjusting performance characteristics for diverse riding conditions. A 12.3-inch TFT display enhances rider connectivity. Rider safety enhancements maximize traction through advanced technology. The CVO Road Glide is equipped with a Rockford Fosgate Stage 2 premium audio system, featuring a 4-channel, 500-watt RMS amplifier powering integrated fairing and saddlebag speakers. With a starting price of $44,499 in the US, $54,499 CDN in Canada, and £38,995 in Europe/UK, the 2024 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide is a testament to Harley-Davidson's commitment to innovation and iconic design, offering riders an unparalleled touring experience.